Hi, I'm Olaf and I like warm hugs. Hey, Unicorn fam, what is up? It's your girl Ashley, and so today we are going to be unboxing a new Funko Pop that we just got. So let's get into the video. So like I said in the intro, we are going to be doing a Funko Pop video. This one came from Hot Topic, which I conveniently stopped out. I don't know why they gave me such a big bag. They usually give me a smaller bag. But the Funko Pop that we have in here is from the new Frozen movie. I'm so excited. Comment down below if you guys are excited to go see Frozen 2 on November 22nd, I believe. So let's get on the Funko Pop. So here are the pops that you can get. Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Kristoff, Sven, Matthias, Young Elsa, Young Anna, Earth Giant, and the Water Knock. As you guys can see, this one's Olaf, and this is number 583. And Olaf is like one of my favorite characters. I believe at Hot Topic that I go to, they had Elsa and Olaf. I believe those are the only two. Yeah, they're the only two I saw. But let's get into the opening of this. So you're not listening to me blab about this entire video. And that's what it looks like. These are so horrible to open. They put these in here so tight. Okay. First thing I'm noticing is it has little snowflakes. I almost dropped Olaf. He's got snowflakes on all around his body, which I think is so cute. I mean, who does not love Olaf? Oh my gosh. And he's in the seated position. His little hands crossed. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So overall, this is so cute. I love it. I love Frozen. Anything Frozen is amazing. So if you guys like this video and want to see more Funko Pop videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become part of the Unicorn fam. Turn on post notifications. And as always, stay flawless.